Hello everyone, welcome to another new video on this channel. If you're new, this channel is about technology reviews, lifestyle and fashion, and these are things that happen to be very dear to me, so I hope to share and enlighten you more on tech, fashion and lifestyle. Of course, on this video, as you already know, I would be unboxing the DJI Mini 2. This is one of the smallest DJIs in the market. It's also one which is mostly acceptable in most countries because of the size. The DJI Mini 2 is generally accepted in most countries because it lies within a toy drone size and weight, and also you can fly it without having a certified knowledge of how to fly drones, because its other counterparts such as the DJI Phantom, DJI Mavic Pro, all of the rest, they lie outside the size agreed. Also, it's mostly acceptable in most countries. You'll have to fly a distance far away from people so that you don't injure them for safety reasons. So this drone is dear to me because for a long time I've been needing a drone, and when I wanted to get one, I was discouraged because I didn't really know about the Mini 2. I wanted to get a Mavic Pro, but I realized that I had to have a license, which is not hard to get, but it was stressful when I realized a lot of countries were banning drones at the time. So I decided to take a halt on it. But recently I started getting interested again into drones, and I was like, I really need to get one. And so I came across the DJI Mini 2, and it fits all my expectations as it's 4K, it shoots in 4K, it's very small, so I can carry it everywhere I want to, and it's acceptable in most countries, and I do not need a license to fly it. So I decided to get it as an early birthday gift to myself, because this year has been a very long and rough year and I've hustled so much, so I deserve to spoil myself. So this is like my gift to myself, and I'm not even angry at all. Please stay on the video and watch me unbox as I take you through the diverse parts of the DJI Mini 2 and how unique it is. As you can see, the Mini 2 is unopened, so I'm going to be opening it in front of you guys. I haven't opened it myself. I've gotten it for like a week plus now, and I've been dying to open it, but because I wanted you guys to be the first to open it with me, I decided to hold on until I was ready to do this video before I open it on camera, and I hope my excitement shows through the camera as I open it, and it seems very genuine because I am so excited to see what's here. Alongside the DJI Mini 2, I got the charging display case. I think this is really cool, you know, to showcase your DJI in style while it's charging. So I decided to get it for an extra £50. By the way, the DJI Mini 2 go for as high as £542 to £559. So it depends on your budget, and it depends on the vendor you use to purchase it. For me, I got this for £520. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it, shall we? To open it, I'll be using my scissors, and I will just slice through because I cannot be bothered. So let's do this. I'm trying to open it now, so I'm just going to slice through. My scissors is blunt. This is so satisfying. I love opening new things. It gives me joy. Tear rubber, they call it in Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, you know that it's called tear rubber, and literally tearing the rubber. This is so satisfying. Everybody loves to be the first to open their item. It's just really satisfying to know that you're the first person that used something. So now I've gotten the nylon off, and before I continue, this claims to contain an ultralight and foldable DJI Mini 2 with less than 249 grams, 31 minute maximum flight time, 8.5 to 10.5 meter per second level 5 wind resistance, 3-axis gimbal camera and 4K video, panorama, quick shot and one-tap videos. And in this box is contained the aircraft, which is the DJI Mini 2, remote controller, flight battery ×3. By the way, I got the Fly More combo, which contains extra batteries and some other propellers aside the one the Mini 2 comes with, so that's why it was more expensive. But if you're only buying just the DJI alone with one battery, is cheaper than what I got it for. Also, it comes with a shoulder bag, RC cable 3 times, USB-C cable, spare control stick, screwdriver, spare propellers, and a manual. We're opening it now. Ooh. So I'm guessing everything is in this bag. The bag seems very cute and small. It can fit my camera, the one I'm using to vlog right now. So it's such a cute bag, and they wrote DJI on it. It has a front zipper. So yeah. And then when you open it, when you open the bag, when you open the bag, this is how far it opens. So it doesn't open so much, like, and the first thing I see is the DJI. This is so cool, and it has some sticky thingy underneath. We'll come back to this. Then we have, I'm guessing this is the manual. Yep, this is the manual. And then we have another small box or carton in here, and it says accessories on top. So I'm guessing maybe this is where the batteries are. So in here I'm seeing a charger head. I can see cables, and I can see something. I'm guessing this is the 3 extra battery pack it claims to come with. Okay, so this is the battery pack. One is already in the DJI already, so this is the extra 2 and the battery case. Then you can see more cables. That's all here. Then we have another thingy here. I'm guessing this is the controller. So yep, this is the controller, because it feels like it. Yeah, this is the controller. This is where you supposedly place your phone into. I like the controller of the Mini 2 than the Mini 1. It feels more sturdy and nice. It feels nice in the arm. I believe, yes. So this comes out and you place your phone in here, which is very cool. Then there's an on button and the rest, which is so cool actually. And this is like the joystick. This is like the joystick and all that. I don't know, this was here, I don't know what it's for, but we'll find out soon. Let me see if they were right about what the claim was in the carton and what I've seen so far. So I have seen the aircraft, I've seen the remote controller, I've seen the flight battery ×3. I've seen the two-way charging hub. I've seen the shoulder bag, RC cable. I haven't seen the spare control sticks. Oh, I've seen the spare control sticks. I haven't seen a screwdriver. I haven't seen spare propellers. I haven't seen spare propellers. I've seen the manual. I haven't seen spare propellers, so there might be a problem because I haven't seen all of what the claim was inside. So are they cheating me? We don't know. We will soon know. So this is the aircraft, and it looks just like this. And I'm about to open it. It's been folded, that's why it looks really small. It's really small already, but the reason why it's extra small is because it's been folded. So it opens up like this, like this, like this, like this. So this is the DJI Mini 2 drone. It's quite small and very handy. It feels very light, like it's claimed. It's even lighter than an iPhone 12, honestly. So here is where the charging point and your memory stick enters, and here is where the gimbal is, and it's protected by a case, which is so cool. And yeah, I'm guessing one battery is already in here. But guys, I haven't seen the propeller. This is the propeller that comes with it, but I haven't seen the spare one. So, and this is what is used to hold it together when it's folded. I haven't seen the spare propellers, so I'm guessing they have cheated me now. I guess I've been cheated. Can't see any spare propellers. Wow, DJI is duping me already. DJI want my coins. You can't tell me there are spare propellers and I see nothing. £549 ain't cheap. I need my coins back, DJI. You promised some propellers and I ain't seen no spare propellers. Run my check quick. Run with my check real quick. Honestly guys, I can't. Oh, I feel something here. Let's see if the propellers are there. Surprise me. Ooh, here are the propellers. Sorry for the miscommunication, DJI. I found the propellers, but you can still run me some check in case. More propellers. Wow, more propellers. Stick. And oh, I see the screwdriver. So they put the propellers in the smaller zip on top of the bag. That's why I didn't see it earlier. So guys, this is the DJI Mini 2 and all of its form. I hope you like it because I love it. It's so small and it looks like a toy, but this small thing performs magic. By the time I start using it for most of my shorts and content, you guys will not believe it's this tiny thing in my hands doing all the job, you know. So now we've seen the DJI Mini 2. Let's see the charging hub, the transparent charging hub, because I'm so excited to see how this looks too. So this is the charging hub, like I earlier mentioned. So we're going to open it as well using my scissors. Okay, I think it's open now. Ooh, I love opening new things, honestly. It's so satisfying. Okay, it has a hole and opened. Ooh, there's something there. There's something here, apparently. Oh, it's a charger. These people do know how to pack stuff in tiny ways. Ta-da! It looks like all these weird alien ships coming from space. Oh my god. Who doesn't like this sound? This terrible sound. So there you go. So it's just a clear case, and I'm guessing this is where you put the charger to charge your DJI whilst it's inside. It seems very cool and very fancy. I like Serere, I like extra, I'm quite extra. I like when I get a device, I like to get all the things that can make the device even look cooler. Cause come on, what's the fun in getting a device if you can't make it look extra? So this is the base of the transparent charging case. Oops. So I think it's very magnetic. So this is the base. This is the base of the transparent charging case, and then I'm gonna put the cover in. So this is how it looks like. It's just Serere, but it beautifully displays your DJI whilst it's charging, so that you know it can be cool. I believe a blue light comes on when it's charging. I'll show it as a B-roll when I set everything up. So make sure you stay to the end to see how cool this looks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my DJI Mini 2 as well as I did enjoy it, and I'm so excited to use it for a lot of great shoots and events to make my content even better for you guys as well. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, support your girl, please. I need your support. You know, it's not easy growing in this YouTube world. It's not easy, so please support your girl. Put a thumbs up if you really liked this video, and if you like more unboxings like this, can be unboxing of fashion items, more tech stuff, please leave a comment and tell me what you want to see, and I will give it to you back to back. You get. So until then, I'm your girl Imelda.godswill, and I pray and hope you keep on coming back to watch more beautiful content, because I'll be surely dropping more awesome content now I have my DJI Mini 2. If you have more questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. If you want to follow me on my social media, please follow me on Style Technician on my Instagram, Imelda.godswill on my Twitter, Imelda.godswill on my Facebook, and I'll be sure to follow back and give you more spicy content. If you have any ideas you want me to do or try out, please drop in the comment section and I'll be reading through. After all, what else am I here for other than you guys? So see you in the next video. Bye.